What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress since we were here last, but before we head inside the park, let's go over to the storage lot and see if anything new is going on there. Well, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's a little bit busy up front. Security has a little bit of a wait, but not much. We'll be right in. Yep, no wait really, and we are on our way. Hello, Icebreaker, and I'm already seeing a bunch of new progress with you. Track going up that top hat now. Shepherd boy to the mighty king. You know what I know. And here's a much closer view of some of that new track that's been placed. So we have the hop after the launch, and the curve up into the spike, and we can now see a tree topped out, quotations topped out. I think they could have put the tree on one other piece, but yes, it's there. Looks nice. Oh yeah.
Playful natures. So, get ready to have some fun, see our Killer Whales personalities up close, and maybe get a...
joining us today, and I know for the past 5 years I've been able to build a relationship with one of our killer whales. His name is Trura. He's definitely taught me how to be more patient, more creative, and most importantly how to truly build a relationship with the ocean's top.
That we build with our whales, we're able to learn more about them. They can be
Construction ducks, they're back. Yeah. Sky Tower, let's go catch a ride before the storms get here. It's open, let's do it.
We ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. Look for our signature ride. 2 awesome enclosed tube slides that send you speeding through a lively lagoon filled with playful conversance dolphins. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica. Years, you can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC. Make a difference. We're on a mission, and it's big but not impossible. Together, we are going to protect marine life and the oceans they offer.
Once again, at Savoy has reached capacity. Please consult the park map.
Joe's still in operation serving food, and then we have Icebreaker right here. Again, the old outdoor eating area is now going to be part of the queue. Remember how we said it was busy today? Indeed it is. And then check out Icebreaker right here, across from the exit for Wild Arctic. Man, that looks good. And more good news for the viewers and myself, because of SeaWorld's Christmas celebration, this pathway is open, and we're going to get an awesome view of Icebreaker. Now remember, the ride is going to hop over right here, over to that section. So there's going to be a turnaround over there. But up ahead, you can see the low-lying sections of the track and Top Hat right there. Our closest view of the Top Hat and the support structure right there. You see this portion right here is for when it goes back onto the brake run. More supports and track are over here. And here's a closer view of those foundations for the out and back portion. Well, since it is nighttime, Icebreaker construction is going to be all done, guys, and we can see SeaWorld's Christmas celebration still going on. If you haven't been yet, highly recommend it, as it is one of the best Christmas events in the entire country. Beautiful lights everywhere. So yes, get here soon, because there's only a few more weeks left. See? Only 4 more days until Christmas. Coming up quick. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And I am happy to say crews have been very busy over the last week, placing a bunch of new track and supports for the top hat. In fact, we have a Christmas tree up there signifying it's been topped out, even though I think they still need one other piece. But yes, tons more track and supports should be going up over the next week. And the storage lot is looking pretty bare as a lot of stuff is making its way over to the main site. Of course, we have Manta right here doing its flyby like usual. And if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.